In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an Amazon gift card to buy Robux. We'll go from purchasing a digital Roblox card on Amazon to redeeming it for Robux on your account so you can top up safely and quickly. All you need is an Amazon account with gift card balance available and access to your Roblox account. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Amazon.com. Make sure you're signed in so your balance and orders show correctly. In the search bar, type Roblox gift card. You'll see several options. Look for a digital gift card, not a physical mailer, and pick the amount that matches your budget and region. Digital delivery is the fastest option and arrives electronically once payment clears. Click the Roblox digital gift card you want, add it to your cart, and proceed to checkout. On the checkout page, scroll to payment method and choose Amazon gift card or gift card balance. If your Amazon gift card hasn't been applied to your account yet, enter the claim code, click apply, and confirm the total. When everything looks right, place the order. After the purchase is complete, Amazon will provide a Roblox digital gift card code. You can usually find it in the confirmation screen, your email, and in your orders under digital orders. Copy the code and keep it somewhere safe. You'll need it to redeem Robux. If the email hasn't arrived, give it a few minutes and check your spam or promotions folder. Now open a new tab and go to roblox.com, then log into the Roblox account you want to fund. It's worth double checking you're on the correct account before you redeem. Navigate to the Robux section and choose a Robux amount that fits within the value of your Roblox gift card. If your card value is higher than the package you select, the remaining balance will stay on your Roblox account for future use. At checkout, select Redeem Roblox Card, sometimes shown as Roblox Gift Card, as your payment option. Enter the PIN or code from your digital gift card exactly as shown, click Redeem, and then submit the order. If you see an error, check for typos and try again. Once redemption is successful, your Robux balance will update on your account. Refresh the page if needed to see the new total, and you're ready to start spending. That's all it takes. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and subscribe for more Amazon tips and tutorials.